guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to create this makeup look. Now this makeup look is very simple and minimal, and this will suit every type of outfit that you wear, whether you're wearing Indo-Western, Western or ethnic, and pink basically goes with every type of outfit, right? So the highlight of this makeup look is the lip and cheek oil that I have currently used here, and this is the Kieros pH Play Lip and Cheek Oil. So this is an innovative lip oil that reacts with your pH levels, and thereby it creates a very nice customized lip tint on you that lasts all day long. With the goodness of moringa oil infused in the formula, using pH Play Lip and Cheek Oil is like treating your lips and cheeks to a relaxing spa day. Plus, it has an extremely lightweight, non-sticky texture that ensures a smooth and fuss-free application. So now you can say goodbye to icky, sticky lips and cheeks. Also, because it creates this customized shade as per your pH levels, it basically suits every skin tone, whether you're light, medium or dusky as well. So I'm absolutely in love with this Kieros pH Play Lip and Cheek Oil, and I would highly recommend that you give this one a shot. And also, Kiro has also extended their shade range in their Daily Dewy Serum Foundation, which contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin C as well as niacinamide. So I am currently in the shade Hazel Nude 08, which is one of their new shades that they have recently launched, and I absolutely love this foundation because it's so lightweight. At the same time, it covers all of your imperfections so beautifully. So yeah, I have given the direct links of all of the products that I've used in today's tutorial in the description box below, along with the direct links for this lip oil as well as this serum foundation as well. Okay, so yeah, now without further ado, let's begin with the tutorial. Okay guys, so I have just moisturized my face, and now I am going to apply the Kieros Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. So this is a new shade which they have extended in this Daily Dewy Serum Foundation, and I am currently in the shade 08. And like you can see, this is a very serumy kind of a foundation, so it's very lightweight, yet at the same time it covers all of your imperfections beautifully. So it's a great daily wear foundation as well, and I personally love using this foundation because it does not feel heavy or cakey at all. So here I'm going to just apply this all over my face. Then to set it, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in the shade NC 43.5, and I'm basically going to set my entire face using this powder because this also provides a bit of extra coverage, and this is basically a powder foundation, so it is going to give me extra coverage as well. Now we'll move on with eye makeup, and for that I'm using this Huda's palette, and I'm taking this maroon shade and applying it all over my crease like you guys can see here. And then I am going to take a fluffy blending brush and I am going to soften the edges so there are no harsh edges, and basically I am just using a very light peachy color to blend the edges like you can see here. Now I am taking the shimmery pink shade in the palette and applying it on my lids, and it's such a beautiful pinky shade because it has a lot of orangey tones to it as well. Then I'm going to deepen my outer crease by using a dark brown shade, and here like you can see here, taking the same blending brush, I'm going to deepen the outer crease. Then I'm also going to take the same shade and apply it just below my waterline as well, so that the eye look is completed. And yeah, next I'm going to brush my eyebrows and also shape them. So here I'm using my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil like you can see here, and I actually love, this is the only eyebrow pencil that I basically love to use. Then I'm also curling my lashes. This is the iconic Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and this is one of the OGs, but it just works so well that no matter how many different products mascaras I try, I always come back to this. And then I'm also going to draw a very simple winged eyeliner using my Kieros eyeliner pen. Nothing too dramatic, just a simple winged eyeliner. And yeah, and then I am going to do the same thing on my other eye, and I'll be right back. So here my other look is also eye look is also completed. Now I will be using the lip and cheek oil by Kiro. So this is such a beautiful lip oil guys, it's so hydrating, and like you guys can see here, it actually reacts to your pH levels and it completely changes color. And like you guys can see here, this has given such a beautiful pinkish tint to my lips. And this basically is a universal lip and cheek oil, which suits every kind of skin tone. So basically, since it reacts with your pH levels, it is going to suit every skin tone beautifully. And here I'm just pursing my lips a little bit more to for the color to develop. And like you guys can see here, this is the beautiful color that it has given. So yeah, that finishes the makeup look, guys. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like this look, and what more videos would you like me to post. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.